Brady, what you doing? What is that?
Boy.
No, no. Oh.
Uh-oh.
No, buddy.
On to the next one.
Brady, no.
Brady, no. You're in trouble, Brady.
Oh, that's good, Dad. Put it above me so I really pull on it and pull the tree over. Brady, what do you think, buddy? What do you think?
There's lots of balls to play with.
Huh?
Mom.
Good job walking, buddy.
Hi, big guy.
Good job walking.
Hey. Hey. Hello. Hey. All right. Bye-bye.